Mail Call Monday. Got a book in the mail here. Let's open it up. This was an eBay purchase, so it's a little bit fake, but it's adding to the Kalashnikov collection or library. And I missed the... Hopefully I'm not cutting the book. Open it up here. Definitely well packaged. Thank you to the seller. And here it is. It's the Simonov SKS 45 type carbine. Really good version of it. You can tell by looking at it that this is, well, it's got a library of LA something. That's interesting. But this is the 1981, first printing, 1981. So pretty cool. It's got some kind of postcard in there. Reason I bought it though, SKS is kind of interesting, but I really wanted this information on the ammunition. So lots of good information on the ammunition here. Actually a whole section of it. And there's some color section. Looks like the whole second half of the book is ammunition and then some pictures. So definitely looking forward to checking this one out. It's an old one, 1981, SKS, and 7.62 by 39 ammunition. Thanks for watching.